It is freezing today. Right now, I am in the Tampa area, and it's freezing. It went from like 85 degrees yesterday to like 40 degrees today. And that's, I mean, anything below 60 is freezing to us. So this is a great video to do because a lot of times when you're meeting with clients and you're going to homes, sometimes they might not be dressed properly, sometimes they are, and right away you're like, oh my God, I can't believe this weather, it's so cold. First thing we always say to each other. Now, when we're looking at homes, if it's a vacant home and they're not like taking care of the temperature and you walk in and you're cold, the cold weather, walking into a house, especially living down here, is the equivalent to opening the door and smelling cigarette smoke or pet or whatever the case may be. You're already like, ugh, right? So when you open up a door and it's freezing still inside and you're sitting there, you're just not concentrating, right? You're just like, and I'm sure a lot of people, if you're watching this from up north, it's the same thing. It's all about aesthetics. It's look and it's feel, right? So now if you have a fireplace and the fireplace is going, oh, you get that cozy feeling, right? Like, oh, I can, especially during the holidays, I can picture myself living here. But if it's warm, everyone goes, and I didn't do my hair today, so I apologize. You go, oh, it's so nice in here. Oh my God, it feels so good and you're comfortable. Everything about selling is marketing, feeling, vision, here. It's everything. And so many people don't get this. Like just having the lights on smells good, the heat's on. I don't understand how, like, and again, 2026 is going to be all about positive thinking, but I just don't understand how everyone becomes a realtor and they half-ass everything. Every day someone's a realtor, but they don't understand anything about marketing. And now here's the other thing. Here's on the flip side. You're representing a buyer. You're an agent. That's why you should be at every house beforehand. Because sometimes these sellers and agents don't know even how to sell their own home. So get there. Flip on the switches. Turn up the heat a little bit. If they have an electric fireplace, make it cozy, right? I've seen agents pull up with hot chocolates and everything. Like, that's slick, right? It's an experience. If I walk into your house when it's cold outside and it feels cold inside and it doesn't feel good, I'm done already too. Even as the agent, I'm like, oh my God, can we go to the next house? So this is why I do these educations. I mean, I'm even in uniform. I'm all getting cozy for you guys. I'm trying to play the part, trying to make you watch this video and play the part. I hope it worked. I hope you understand. I'm trying to do my best here to educate you guys, to help you, because it's either buyers watching me, sellers, future realtors, present realtors. We're almost at 1,000 transactions while I'm doing this video. And for me, I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna jump back real quick. Ready? Watch this. Watch how crazy I'm gonna merge two worlds together. I'm telling you about every little thing helps. Every little thing helps, right? When it comes to selling a house. Same thing with you agents branding yourselves. Every little thing helps. By me doing a YouTube video, Instagram video, TikTok video, YouTube reel, Facebook post. Everything helps. It's the same concept. Do as much as you can possibly do to make yourself better. Do as much as you can possibly do to make your sale better for your seller. Do as much as you possibly can do to make the experience and the buying process better for your buyer. And I might take a couple of days off because it's too cold down here. But I will talk to you guys soon with more real estate education.